Welcome to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to add in continuing integration using Semaphore. Semaphore is an application that essentially allows you to build your application. I'm going to show you how to do it with testing, so the testing command. This is kind of building off my last video, which was showing you how to do snapshot testing. I'm looking at my screen right now. As you can see, this is what we did in the last video. Now if I run, I'm going to just clear this. Now if I run npm run test, what it does is it runs a snapshot test and actually builds it. And so this is just an example. I'm going to be running the npm run test demo, but I can show you how to where to change commands and stuff in Semaphore. I'm a little bit high level here. So first, what I'm going to have to do here is to create a repository. I'm going to call it demo2. It's going to be private, and I'm going to actually leave it quite empty because I actually already have code that I downloaded. So I'll open up a new tab here, switch back a folder, do a git clone, and I'm going to open my desktop. So I have the two things open. I don't think this actually has it does have a git ignore, which is perfect. I'm just going to drag and drop. And I'm going to commit to that, so demo2, to do git status. Everything's there, so I'm just going to add everything. And I'm just going to add a command. And I'm going to push that up to GitHub. So refresh the page here on GitHub. I have it, awesome. Now I'm going to go switch over to Semaphore. I signed in using my GitHub. I recommend doing the same. It'll let you set up your first project. If you, what I'm going to do is just hit add new project. It allows me, so it has connections to all my repositories. So I'm just going to say demo2 and click. I can select branches which I want to build. And so I'm just going to, this may be development and master. I'm just going to be master because I have the one branch. Who shall own this project? I'll own this project. And it's essentially setting itself up. It's going to analyze it to tell you what language the code's been written in, things like that. And all it's going to do for me is just going to do an npm install and then an npm run test. So, with this, the one thing it's saying is I'm using Node. It's using JavaScript. I'm not using this version of Node, so I can do node.js, and it'll tell you which version. 6.94 is the version of Node I'm using. So 6.6, I guess. No, let's go 6.95. And then here are my commands. I want to run npm install and then npm test. You can add multiple jobs and things like that, but every single time the setup is npm setup, npm test. You can change this to be a bash script or something like that, which is another option. You can make it like a gist and make it a bash script. But I'm going to build with these settings. They're perfect for me. So it's going to deploy your first job, and essentially the way this will work is anytime I have a new feature branch, someone merges their code into master, this will rebuild and verify that it's still, you haven't broken the build. So we're just going to let this build. Okay, so my job just finished there, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, you can see what it ran, what it outputted if you want by just clicking down there. The install took 54 seconds, the npm test took 2 seconds. Yeah, so that's how you use code coverage. That's how you use Semaphore, which is a continuous integration. It's very easy to set up, especially with JavaScript. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it. Please follow me on GitHub, and please subscribe.